We're just continuing with the halachot of Shema. So I wanted to bring you down what's brought down in the name of the Rashba. The Rashba, he says, and this we started speaking about yesterday, what does it mean, the word Shema exactly? So the Rashba comes and he says like this. He says the Kavanav Shema Yisrael, and this is brought down in the Shut Chelek Al Chamishi to do with Kriyat Shema. He says, what does the word Shema mean? So Shema actually has three explanations. Number one, Shemiata Ozen, right? That you're listening with your ears. Well, that's the Lashon of Ozen Shema Tashreni. Number two, Havana, understanding. As it says, that your heart is understanding what's going on. And number three, Kabbalah ve'emunah. What does that mean? Your acceptance. So he says, Milashon Shema b'ni musar avicha asher adam shomea li. So therefore he comes and he says, when a person comes and he says Shema Yisrael, yesterday we mentioned that even though Shema Yisrael could mean two explanations. Shema Yisrael could be listen Yisrael. He's talking about Yaakov Avinu, that he was called Yisrael. And therefore, that's what the Shvatim actually told Yaakov Avinu, Shema Yisrael, Hashem Elokeinu, Hashem Echad. He went and he wanted to reveal the end of times. He wanted to reveal the Mashiach. And all of a sudden, he comes and he can't. So what happens? He starts saying, maybe you guys have Avodah Zarah. They come and they say, Shema Yisrael, Hashem Elokeinu, Hashem Echad. But the second time around where it was actually brought down in the Torah, because that time was brought down in the Midrashim, so brought down in the Torah, is going to be Shema Yisrael is referring to Bnei Yisrael. So he comes and he says, if it's going to be just Shema Yisrael referring to Yaakov Avinu, it could just be to listen. Here it's not that. It's actually Yisrael. So therefore, what is the Shema? Shema means number one, nitzavenu lishmoa v'lilmod. We're obligated to listen and to learn. Why? Because without the listening, how are we going to learn? But after we're learning, we have to be choker im yesh re'ya soteret, which means if something is going to go against what we just said. So therefore, and once we actually come and we try to investigate whether it's true or not true, then we're going to accept it. And therefore he comes and he says that Ashba, whenever we're saying Shema Yisrael, it's actually accepting all these three things, which means we are coming, we're saying listen, right? We are talking about right now, Bnei Yisrael, listen, to understand and to accept. That's in essence what we're saying when we're saying Shema Yisrael, Hashem Elokeinu, Hashem Echad.